Our brand philosophy is Nibhaye Waade, where we are committed to keeping and fulfilling our promises made to the customers. And just extending that same philosophy is also about making a promise to ourselves to serve the community that we are active in. We have about 3 to 4 flagship programs which actually have been running for over a decade. The program wherein we have over the years and year till date, we've distributed close to 3.5 lakh helmets to the underprivileged kids from the NGOs, from municipal schools, because we realized as the largest private general insurer of the country, and since we're invested heavily and committed to the cause of road safety awareness, one acknowledges and realizes that there are a lot of behaviors on the road where kids especially are very vulnerable because they're not wearing helmets. Wherein we have over the years and year till date, we've distributed close to 3.5 lakh helmets to the underprivileged kids from the NGOs, from municipal schools, because we realized as the largest private general insurer of the country, and since we're invested heavily and committed to the cause of road safety awareness, one acknowledges and realizes that there are a lot of behaviors on the road where kids especially are very vulnerable because they're not wearing helmets.
I should be very thankful to Lombard ICIC for providing our children and parents helmets. Now, first of all, ours is a small town, Hoskote. Here the parents, when they have to drop the children, they rush like anything and they come. They don't have the awareness that I should wear a helmet even though it's a short distance. First and foremost, you have created an awareness that the child is also important, the parent is also very important. Sometimes we feel only if I wear a helmet is okay, the pillion rider he comes like that only, never mind. But here this today program, it's created an awareness among the parents how important both are in their lives. Citizen over in Hoskote will have an awareness why this common color they're wearing. This common color will definitely give a very good impact on the parents as well as the children. Definitely, I hope the children will motivate their parents that when you are dropping or taking us anywhere, please kindly wear helmet and provide us also the helmet what is being given to ICIC.
हॉस्कोटे में कम से कम 50 करोड़ लोग हैं, उसमें से हाफ लोग ही पहनते हैं हेलमेट।
काफी खुश है। मेरे पास हेलमेट नहीं था और हेलमेट भी लो क्वालिटी का था, तो वो कभी पहनते टाइम गिरता था। ये हाई क्वालिटी ISO मार्क है और मेरे को मिला, मेरे को बहुत खुशी हुई। और हम लोग भी अनएबल थे, मतलब दूसरी जगह से लेने के लिए, लेकिन आपकी तरफ से जो मिला है हम बहुत खुश है।
धन्यवाद ICICI बैंक के नाम।
Through our entire CSR efforts, we have impacted over 1.5 million lives. And this is just our way of giving back to society and playing a small yet pivotal role towards road safety with Right to Safety program. We do is we organize eye checkup camps with the kids, and you'd be surprised, but studies have shown that almost 10 to 15% of kids have undiagnosed eye problems or vision defects, which for the longest time don't get corrected and then get worse over time. So it also gives an opportunity for employees to participate directly in the CSR efforts, mix and have a healthy bond, with the kids.
ICICI लोम्बार्ड से 2023 से अभी तक 130 स्कूल में सोलार लाइट्स इंस्टॉलेशन किया गया है। उसमें से ये 4 जिलों में हुआ है, रायगढ़, थाना, पालघर और ये जवाहर मोखाड़ा साइड में। तो इसमें हमने एक बात देखा है कि सोलार के वजह से बहुत सारे स्कूल में आर्थिक मतलब फाइनेंशियली बहुत बड़ा उनको सपोर्ट हुआ है। बहुत अंधेरा होता है और उसके टाइम पे बच्चों को पढ़ाई के लिए भी तकलीफ होती है, और ऐसे बहुत सारे स्कूल जो है कि जहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी है उनको मालूम ही नहीं, क्योंकि वहाँ के स्कूल की फाइनेंशियल कंडीशन ख़राब होने की वजह से लोग इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का पैसा ही नहीं भर सकते, इसलिए इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बोर्ड उनका इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कट कर देती है। लेकिन सेवासोय के माध्यम और ICICI लोम्बार्ड के माध्यम से जो अभी सोलर इंस्टॉलेशन वहाँ पे हुआ है, तो उसकी वजह से उनको उस स्कूल को बहुत बड़ा फायदा हुआ है। धन्यवाद।
I am in class 10, so there is a lot of study pressure. Difficult to study without without electricity there is solar panels and I am doing study very easily.
जो हमारे पेरेंट्स है वो आदिवासी एंड अदर इकोनॉमिक बैकवर्ड क्लास में जो पेरेंट्स आते हैं वो पेरेंट्स से स्कूल हमारे स्कूल में बच्चे हमारे स्कूल में आते हैं.
We actually install water purifiers, so it aligns with the UN SDG goals on sanitation, as well as it is about giving kids again who are very vulnerable an opportunity to have safe drinking water at the schools.
I never carry a water bottle outside my car. I drink the same water which my students drink. And this of course gives an additional confidence to the parents as well as to the students. Last session we were contacted by the persons from Synergy under the project Niranjali. They have also just supported our school in getting clean water for students. They have donated 2 systems and some water bottles, maybe more than 100 I think. The students have been quite upbeat, and of course absenteeism is less in case of our school because extra care for their health is also taken care of. So this clean water has increased the performance of students right from primary wing to the senior secondary wing. प्रोजेक्ट निरांजली को हम धन्यवाद देना चाहेंगे स्टूडेंट्स, पेरेंट्स और स्कूल की तरफ से कि बच्चों की परफॉर्मेंस को ऊपर रखने के लिए उनका जो क्लीन वाटर इनिशिएटिव है उसने भी काफ़ी इम्पोर्टेंट रोल वहाँ पे निभाया.
On the reflection, I would like to say, first of all, the session was really interactive. There was this one video that I really liked, and it showed the importance of water in a very concise and scientific manner. RO in my house that we drink water from, and I'm very habitual of that water. So when I was enrolled in this school, I didn't really like the taste of the water, I could say.
And they have provided 2 water coolers to our school, which is a great help for all of the students of our school. I would like to thank ICICI Lombard for this amazing initiative, Niranjali.
And through Niranjali program, again, we have benefited over 1,13,000 lives. It also gives an opportunity for employees to participate directly in the CSR efforts, mix and have a healthy bond, with the kids and see for themselves the kind of purpose building that the brand is doing, and to have that immense level of satisfaction to be able to participate in an individual capacity.